So welcome on this beautiful fall day. Julianne and I were working on our Cozy Traveler and decided we'd take a break and do a walkthrough through the rump shaker. When we bought this off of Marketplace for $200. We actually purchased it because we were looking for awning parts that we couldn't find online, and this had a decent awning, but that was about the only thing decent on it. I wasn't even sure if we'd make it home towing it. But when we were driving home, I realized I like driving a fifth wheel, and instead of trashing this thing, I thought we would fix it up, and then we would turn trash into treasure. So when you walked into this thing, the ceiling was being held up by a 4x4. It was a complete disaster. Here's what it looked like. All right, so that's what it looked like before. Now let me give you a quick walkthrough of what it looks like now. All right, when I open the door, first thing you may notice is we went from a dark, dingy, rat-infested look to a bright, airy, homey look. The flooring is your waterproof laminate interlocking flooring. Got that from Lowe's. It's actually held up real well. Oh, look at that. Every camper needs a bar, so there is a bar that we built. The back wall actually was completely rebuilt, and then when we built the cabinet, we didn't put the doors back on. We kind of like that open look where you can see the knickknacks, as I call them. This cabinet houses a slide out coffee station. It's wonderful. Dinette area, we replaced the seats with new ones, obviously. Table is made from plywood, and we just kind of used like a furniture grade plywood and finished it. If you notice, all throughout the fifth wheel there's updated lighting. Really like the pot lighting. They're set on that dimmer switch there. Right there. The kitchen area, the lower cabinets we had to completely rebuild, and then built a new countertop with MDF and epoxy. We extended it so we could fit the bar stools under there and have a little more seating area. used a sink from that we purchased off of Amazon, and that is actually not an RV sink, but it works, and we like it because it's got the cutting board, little extra counter space, the strainer, stainless steel backsplash, which we love. Use the magnetic spice rack holders on it and the magnetic utensil holders. That stuff stays in place while driving down the road. New oven. For the fridge, it worked, so there's no sense replacing it. We just use the same stainless as the backsplash to give that a little more updated look. Coming to the bathroom. When you first open the door, you see that we don't have a normal RV tub surround. We took that out and replaced it with these PVC waterproof tiles. They ended up working out really well. They're not too heavy and easy to put up. We added a remote control fan in here just because the ceilings are a little taller, and some more new lighting. I built this cabinet and redid this one as well, because the one before you couldn't open the door all the way because it would hit the toilet. And Julianne threw some wallpaper in here. Added a new sink. And then in the bedroom area, we completely gutted this area as well, ripped out the old carpet, put in new carpet. Those are original cabinets that we just painted, and then kind of put up some metal over the fabric that was originally there. And then added a curtain if you need a little privacy from ourselves. I don't know. Hey, so that's it. That's our 24-foot 2001 Salem fifth wheel that we remodeled, restored. Hey, just to let you know, we did end up having to put about $4,500 into it, and our time, obviously. Let me know if you think it was worth it in the comments below. If you have questions on how I did anything, or if you have questions about the paint colors we're using, I don't know, whatever, just again, put a comment below. I'll try to respond to them. And if you like the video, please subscribe. I'll be posting more videos on the other campers we're restoring. And thanks again for watching, and have a wonderful day. Appreciate it.